Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the looks option of Adobe Photoshop app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to simply we have to open the Adobe Photoshop app, and after that we have to choose the image that which image you want to use. So as you can see now we are going to this option. So I'm going to cut this one here, and now let's click on the continue here. We have to click on the no here, and let's we have to go to the photo section and we have to choose the photo. So I'm going to click on this here. We have to choose the photo that which photo we want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so we have to choose this one here. As you can see now we will get the looks option here, so I'm going to click on the looks, and now different types of option we will get. Like as you can see, the contrast option is also provided here, highlights and shadows and white. Every option is provided here. Now it's up to you that which option you are using. If you want to increase this, you can also do that. I'm going to use this option or this option. It's up to you, whatever you are using. So in this way you can use the looks option in the Adobe Photoshop app. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.